Welcome to the third part of the undergraduate research series. Today we're going to be talking about how to do citations in MLA, APA, and Chicago style. To start off, I just want to remind everybody that you can always contact the library. If you ask for one of the librarians for assistance, we are able to help with writing citations and formatting your paper, as well as just general research help. If you contact us at the email library@cwc.edu or by calling the front desk at 307-855-2141, you're going to be able to schedule some time to come in either over Zoom or in person to get help on your paper. You are also welcome to stop by the library, but particularly during this semester, we aren't always going to be here, so we do recommend trying to schedule a session with one of us. So there are three primary citation style guides that are being used in the United States. The first one is the MLA, or Modern Library Association. This is commonly used in the humanities, so you probably see a lot of this in your English classes, literature, foreign language, those sorts of courses. Then we also have the American Psychological Association, or APA. This is commonly used in psychology, education, science. I've heard that sometimes business will also use this. And then the third one, and this is the one that you're probably not going to use too much while you're at CWC, but you might see if you transfer to a four-year college, which is the Chicago or Turabian, which is commonly used in history, business, and fine arts. Those are going to be music and then actual art. Because there are three different style guides and you're probably only going to really use two of them while you're here, definitely confirm with your professor to see which style they want you to use. We don't want you to be losing points while you're in your class because you used the wrong style guide. Just make sure you're checking with them on how they want you to do it. Also, within each of these style guides, there are a few nuances between professional publishing versus what you will do as a student. So again, just confirm with your professor to see how they want you to write your citations and format your paper. So throughout this series, and there's going to be multiple just really short videos, you're going to learn how to do MLA, APA, and Chicago by searching OWL Purdue, writing citations for books and articles, writing in-text citations, and formatting in Google Docs and Microsoft Word. We just really want to make sure that you have a good grasp on the style guide that you need to use for your paper so you're not losing any points.